Hello friends, please subscribe and click bell icon. Thank you.
Hi, welcome to Murli Maths class. So today we will learn applications of trigonometry exercise number 12.1. In that ninth problem we will see now how to solve it. Okay. So ninth problem is given like this. An observer of height 1.8 meters is 13.2 meters away from the palm tree. So first sentence we will draw the diagram. An observer of height 1.8 meters. So one person is there here, one person like this. One person is standing like this. His height is given 1.8 meters. This is the person, okay. An observer of height 1.8 meters is 13.2 meters away from the palm tree. So opposite to him, palm tree is there like this. Palm tree. Let us think this horizontal line represents the ground and this is palm tree. Okay. Now what is this 13.2? That is the distance from this person to palm tree. 13.2 meters. 13.2 meters is distance from this person to tree. Okay, next. The angle of elevation of the top of the tree. Top of the tree means this one. Top of the tree means this one. Angle of elevation of the top of the tree from his eyes is 45 degrees. The person is standing here, no? From his eyes, angle of elevation. So we have to draw like this. So how to mark 45 degrees here? Ground is there, no? For the ground parallel line you draw here and mark 45 degrees. That's it. Next, what is asking? What is the height of the palm tree? So this height of the palm tree we need to find. Height we need to find. So let us give the names for this. A, B, C, E, F. So what we have to find? We have to find the height of the palm tree. Okay, see here. Solution. Height of palm tree equals to, what is the height of palm tree? CB or BC? BC plus FB. BC plus FB. FB, BC. Both if you add, you will get height of the palm tree. Okay. Now you see how to find this. This we know. FB we know. See here. AE is equals to FB. This both are same only. This is 1.8 meters. So we know AE equals to FB. Both are same only. FB equals to 1.8 meters. So FB answer we got. Now we need to find BC answer. Okay. So for finding BC answer, what we have to do? This triangle you take. Triangle ABC. ABC. You apply tan 45. You apply tan 45 degrees. Tan formula is what? Opposite. Opposite means what? BC. BC divided by adjacent. Adjacent means AB. Okay. AB. Observe here. EF, how much they given? 13.2. The same will be there here also. The same 13.2. Why? Because these both are parallel lines. Whatever the distance we have from E to F, the same distance from A to B also. Same distance. These both are same. See here. AE, BF same. EF, AB same. Okay. Tan 45 1. So 1 equals to BC by AB. AB how much they gave? AB is nothing but 13.2. 13.2. Now 1 write as 1 by 1. Do cross multiplication. So we will get BC equals to 13.2. So BC answer also we got 13.2. BC answer we got 13.2. Now we can write what is the height of the palm tree. Therefore, height of palm tree equals to, what is the answer there? BC plus FB. What is BC? BC is 13.2 plus what is FB? FB is 1.8. So 13.2 plus 1.8, how much will we get? We will get 15.0. Nothing but 15 meters. That's it. So from F to B we have 1.8. BC we got 13.2. So both if you add 1.8 plus 13.2, you will get FC answer. FC is nothing but height of the palm tree. Okay, that's it. Thank you.